Firewalls have been around for almost as long as networking has been a thing. The ability to intelligently control traffic is integral to maintaining the security and efficiency of your network. Some vendors make managing your network traffic a hassle, or worse, leave firewall management up to each individual private server and system admin to manage. Linode is different. We offer cloud firewall protection, which features a simple interface and scalable security with the flexibility to build custom rules. The Linode Cloud Firewall interface will be familiar to both advanced system admins and DIYers looking to manage their cloud infrastructure with features to satisfy all use cases. You can manage inbound and outbound traffic to your Linodes using the Cloud Manager, the CLI, or programmatically using the Linode API. Linode's Cloud Firewall is also scalable and protects your network as it grows. Our Cloud Firewall service empowers you to manage rules across any number of Linodes on your account from a central location. This gives you effective control and a quick overview when managing your account. Start with one Linode on a single firewall configuration and grow from there. Our Cloud Firewall analyzes inbound and outbound traffic against a set of rules defined at the network layer to permit said communication or not. Your Cloud Firewall can block or allow all traffic by default, with additional parameters being set to give you complete control over the traffic on your network. We offer a list of predefined rule sets which cover common network use cases. These rule sets give you a great base to start from, as once you've applied them, you can then edit their configuration or even add new custom rules. If you don't already have a Linode account, you can use the link in the description to score yourself $100 in free credit to get you started. Once you have your Linode account set up, simply log into the Linode Cloud dashboard. Click on Firewalls. Select Create a Firewall. Add a label, then select which Linodes this firewall will affect. Now hit Create. By default, your new firewall will allow all inbound and outbound connections. You can customize this by adding to the inbound and outbound rule set. First, select the firewall you wish to edit. Here, you can change the inbound and outbound policies. But how do you add rules? Select the Add an Inbound Rule or Add an Outbound Rule. Then supply the appropriate value to each parameter. Preset. This contains a list of predefined firewall rules. Selecting a firewall fills the remaining values, which you can then edit if need be. Label. A text label for the rule being configured. This is only an identifier and has no impact on the rule itself. Description. Like label, description is only meant for the end user to be able to keep track of their rule set. Protocol. Select the transport layer protocol. Ports. Select from the list of common ports or choose custom to specify your own range of ports. Sources, required only for inbound rules. Sources limit connections to specific IP addresses, netmask, or internet protocol. Destination, works like sources except for outbound rules. And finally, action chooses whether to allow or drop the rule based on it matching the previous criteria. Keep in mind that rules override the default inbound and outbound traffic policy. Using Linode's free firewall, you can add a new dimension of security and granular control over your cloud services. Check out the Cloud Firewall documentation to learn even more about our complimentary firewall service with the link below.